Welcome back, boys and girls. And as shown on the previous video, after free floating this barrel, the accuracy was very exceptional. And you can see the video. I'm gonna put the site on the description, but today I'm gonna show you how I free floated the Remington 597. First, make sure it's empty, remove your magazine, and then remove these two bolts, and then remove the stop. Okay, one in the front is shorter and one in the back is longer. So remember that. Make sure you don't get that confused. I don't know if you could see it or not, but you could see the marking on the barrel where that stop was touching. And it seems like it's touching more on the right side than left side. Also, you could see some marking in the bottom as well. So I'm gonna grind out this side, both sides, and some of the bottom. I could actually see where the barrel was touching. Okay, I'm gonna now fire down the ribs in here. I'm gonna leave the very first rib because I want that to support the barrel, but I think I could fire down the rest of it. Make sure everything is clean inside. Okay, now let's put it back together and hopefully it will be free floating. So remember the short one in the front and the long one in the back. You don't want to over tighten, you don't want to strip it. Okay, let's see. Well, it's free floating now. Yeah, no problem. All the way back where I intended. I hope you enjoyed my DIY on the barrel free floating. And lastly, like always, thank God for what you have. Enjoy your life with what you got. But mostly, if you can make things better, go ahead. Why settle for less? See ya.